Okay, now how many think it's going to go a longer distance than the rest of you? How many don't know? Alright.
Oh.
Alright, notice it went a lot further, right?
Until it gets to 45 degrees.
Yeah, has anyone figured out two angles that give you the same thing? The same range?
There.
Yeah.
So here, I'm going to do this at 80
40
degrees.
and 50 work.
Alright, 40 and 50 should work. So you got 40 degrees and 50 degrees are a pair that gives the same. 10 works. So far we have 40 and 50 work, and we have 80 and 10.
70 and 20.
Alright, you guys see a pattern? What do these add up to?
90.
What do these add up to?
90.
70 and 20.
Alright, so why don't you guys try 70 and 20? Alright, time in the air. Alright, for the 80 degrees that I'm doing right over here, it's just the time in the air is 4.1 seconds over there. Alright, now, if you remember the last chapter when we did one-dimensional motion, what did we learn about when you shoot something up? We learned that the time up equals the time down if it goes from the same height and ends at the same height, right? It works the same way for these like parabolas, like when you have parabolic motion like this for projectile motion. Alright, did everyone you guys all saw that when the greater the speed it's coming out, the greater the initial velocity, the further it's going to go, the higher it's going to go, the further to the right it's going to go, the longer the time it's going to be in the air, right?
Good. Oh.
Alright, mine said 1.6 seconds the first time. I'm going to do it again on 20 now. Alright, I just did it 3 times and all. Alright, notice what time, whatever you guys have, make sure you notice the time on here, 1.6 seconds. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to increase the speed going to the right. And what's causing it to fall down?
Gravity.
Alright, now gravity, does gravity care about whether you're over here or over here or over here or over here? Does it change what the gravity is?
No.
But he said, well, what if you increase the speed even more? Maybe they'll land over here, right? So he said, what if you increase the speed so much that when it goes to land, it misses the Earth? What do you think is going to happen? It's going to go into orbit. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to make it level. Now, when you want to listen for the sound, if you can't see it, you can at least listen to see. If you hear 2 sounds, that means they're not falling at the same rate. But let's try it and see if I can get it to work. Alright. Did it sound like 2 sounds?
No.
I'm going to show you guys. Have anyone seen the show Mythbusters?
Yeah.
Does anyone see there was an episode they did where they wanted to prove the laws of physics? They made this thing where they shot a rifle, a bullet out of a rifle. So I'm going to show you guys that video next class to see it. It's really cool to watch it.